Planting your own pepper at home is a small action with big benefits, especially in today's world. Here is why it truly matters. What you planted by yourself is always fresh, chemical-free, and full of natural flavor. Fresh pepper has stronger aroma, which makes your meal richer and more enjoyable. Gardening reduces stress, improves mood, and gives you a sense of peace and purpose. Watching your pepper grow is deeply satisfying. Do you know that you can have a multiple harvest from one plant? Just planting one small pepper and you are ready to harvest it a multiple times. It is a great way to teach children patience, responsibility, and food sustainability. Growing your own food builds confidence and independence. No matter how small the garden is, you feel so happy harvesting your own food. I think you should give this a try. We are now around the corner, especially those that are living in a cold environment, that you need to start planting in order for it to germinate. Thank you so much for